I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a working file. Open Google Sheets and choose blank or a team template that matches your workflow. Next, define headers like date, task, owner, status, and dollar budget so every row has context. Once done, import CSV or paste raw data and resolve delimiters and date formats. This prevents errors later. Make sure to set sharing and edit permissions now so collaborators can contribute without breaking structure. You structure the sheet next. Apply data validation and drop-downs to enforce consistent inputs and protect ranges to avoid accidental edits. Then build core formulas, sumifs for totals, XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP for lookups, and array formula to scale logic across rows so calculations auto-update. Once formulas are in, add conditional formatting and filters to surface overdue items or high-cost rows. This helps teams focus. You finish by building a compact dashboard. Use pivot tables and charts to summarize KPIs, then set version history and comment workflows so accountability is clear. Next, schedule email updates or connect to App Script for automated reports. This keeps stakeholders informed. If something breaks, check formulas for #ref or circular references, confirm locale settings for dates and decimals, and revert via version history if needed. Finally, make sure to lock critical sheets to prevent accidental overwrites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.